Even if you weren't aware of it, Rhenus is part of your world, almost all the time and at almost any place. Did you know that we assume all processes of end customer supplies bundled from the storage and delivery up to individual assembly of products and optimizing on request? So just imagine the world if Rhenus didn't exist. There would be no service providers who organized carry out the storage and delivery to the end customer for you. No one would look after the complete and professional structure. And no one would assume the transport to installation location for you without problems. The world without Rhenus would be unmoved, empty and silent. But do not be over-concerned. Rhenus is and will remain part of your world, almost all the time, and yes, you guessed it, at almost any place.